Hi, welcome to Tech Talk Bites with myself, Nidhi Jaggi. Today we are with Silvi Jha, an entrepreneur and founder of Trends Netra and Tech Private Limited. She has extensive experience into garments and fashion work, but with global brands like Gap, Mango, and Torte, and currently she is having her own startup into B2B services that deal with smaller and mid-sized brands. She helped new emerging brands with designing, consulting, sampling, and production. Let's discuss her journey and dreams. Welcome to Silvija.
Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you for the great introduction, and thank you for sharing my journey here. I'm very obliged. It's an ongoing journey right now. It's been around 3 years of my journey, just less than a little less than 3 years, and I'm still yet to reach the goal which I have set for myself.
सिद्धि, आपने कब डिसाइड किया था कि आपको एम्प्लॉय से एम्प्लॉयर बनना
It's an interesting question, and this all started during the COVID time when you're working as an employee from for someone. If you're working dedicatedly, you're not actually thinking of doing anything on your own because you are so much into your work. But when COVID came, the whole world stopped. They took a pause. Everyone took a pause, and eventually I took a pause. At that time, I started thinking what best I can do for the world. And I think with my experience, I could just contribute my work to create a sustainable fashion world. This is when I started my journey of Trends Netra. Trends is a normal word related to what trends you want to see in future, and netra would mean the eyes. So eyes to trends is what is Trends Netra Trade and Tech Private Limited. Along with this journey, I also started a small production unit where I am producing the goods. So there is a lot of thing which is happening in my journey, and still yet to go long way.
है? What is the most important part of your work and आपके major challenges क्या
My work in itself is very interesting. It's all about creativity, and I really like to create new things, new ideas. Every day, something or the other thing comes in my mind. A lot of things happen, a lot of things doesn't happen. So, creativity is the most interesting part of my work. But the challenges as an entrepreneur, because an entrepreneur is burdened with a lot of work, they have a lot of responsibilities. There are financial work, there are operations work, there are management, how to manage your client, how to communicate with your clients, how to manage your workers. So combining everything all together is a major challenge. When you do one thing, you are either leaving the second thing, um, and you're keeping it on a pause and doing something else better. So there are a lot of challenges in that side where I need to manage a lot of work together because right now I have a small team.
So, have you prepared any roadmap to overcome challenges to reach your goals?
Yes, I have created a very special, interesting term, uh, which is like a roadmap to my goal to reach my goal, which is called PCSIEC.
Again, what is the PCS?
PCSIEC. Each word is related to one step. P would mean production. C would mean create. S is sustainability. I is integration with technology. E is expansion, and C would mean change the world. So once one step production is to first set up the production. where you're not having the challenges on the real production, because that is what you have to ultimately do to launch your brand. For anyone, I need to set up a production. So production is the first step, which I've already met. The second step is creating the clients, and creating client would not mean creating any client. Creating client is basically choosing your client wisely, who are having the same wavelength as you, who are having the similar goal as you, uh, and we can co-create this sustainable world. C is sorry, the next word is S. S is sustainable world, because I'm doing everything for creating a sustainable fashion world. So bringing sustainability in every step is very important, which is my third step on my roadmap. And fourth would be integration with technology, because everything has to be linked with technology so that you can create efficient working, you can have efficient results, ROI. Everything has to be linked with technology. So how I can do that, that I will see in future, and I have a couple of points already in my mind. Maybe I can explain it to you later. Expansion would be my fifth step on my roadmap, because expansion cannot come happen in the beginning. So expansion would be after I set up my production, my clients, my sustainability methods, and also when we are integrating it with technology, then expansion happens. And the last is going to be the change the world. Change the world would mean changing the world for good, changing the world in a way that the world becomes sustainable. People wear sustainable clothes, and people are not using anything which is creating more pollution.
So आज के डिजिटल और टेक एरा में आपको क्या लगता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी आपकी इफिशिएंसी बढ़ाने में कैसे मदद कर सकता है? आप अपने टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे तय कर सकते हो?
ओके, टेक्नोलॉजी एक बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेप है. इट्स अ पॉजिटिव, इफ यू कैन क्रिएट अ पॉजिटिव impact through technology, I think this is the best thing that you can do in your work. And it is being used everywhere right now. Even housewives are using, people are using, old age people are using, kids are using. There are a lot of technologies for every kind of work. So in our area, I think it's very important to have connection between the dots. And garment industry, textile industry is scattered. There are a lot of sectors. Market hai, there are market where you can get fabrics. There are market where you can get trims. There are people where you can find labors, places where you can find labors. There are how you can design, how you can create samples, and how you can create bigger productions, smaller productions. Everything is so scattered. It's very important to connect the dots, and that is my tagline. Trends Netra is connecting the dots. So connecting dots through technology becomes very important. I want to create a website which is having an AI agent. This is just an example, and there could be many other examples and ideas. So a website with my AI agent. The AI agent could be a copy of me. It can be like one copy, two copy, or 10 copies, where we can talk to multiple clients at a time, and we can filter out the clients. And when we know this client is worth to proceed with, and they're ready to start their brand, they're actually serious clients, there I can intervene, and then we can talk physically, or we can talk face to face on call, or anything like in the real world. But before that, I would like to create a filter, because I cannot talk to one or two clients at a time. I want to create something like this, an AI agent who can talk my language, who can talk my with my experience. There could be other solutions. For example, in the production world, there are a lot of technologies which can be used to check the efficiency of the tailors on the table, on the machine, through some kind of system. I really don't know what systems we can use, but maybe somebody from technology can help me with that, which I have in my mind for my future.
Okay. So टेक्सटाइल की दुनिया में अभी के मार्केट ऑप्शन और एप्लीकेशंस रिलेटेड कुछ डिजाइनिंग, प्रोडक्शन, सप्लाई चेंजेस एंड डिटेलिंग में एप्लीकेशंस हैं.
जी, बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशंस हैं अगेन, बट एज आई सेड, रिटेलिंग के लिए देर आर डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस वेयर यू कैन ट्रैक योर इन्वेंट्रीज एंड how which shop has less numbers and more numbers and what kind of footfalls are being generated. तो उनके लिए अलग टेक्नोलॉजी है, इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट के लिए अलग टेक्नोलॉजी है, वेयर हाउसिंग का अलग होता है जिसमें इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट आता है। प्रोडक्शन फॉलो अप करने के लिए वेब टीएनएज अवेलेबल हैं, काफ़ी लोगों ने वेब टीएनए शुरू किया था, बट आई थिंक अगेन इट्स स्कैटर्ड, तो बहुत सारे गैप्स हैं इसमें।
तो मुझे उन गैप्स के बारे में आप थोड़ा बताइए।
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर प्रोडक्शन हो रही है, आपके पास वेब टीएनए है, यू हैव a system where you can see the dates, things happening, yes, no, but again it has to be filled either manually or by putting some data, so it is data driven, but nothing is actually you can see your like production live. So what if we connect cameras, live cameras of the factories in one place, and people can monitor their TNAs and actual production systems. So there are gaps which needs to be fulfilled, especially in the production area and also in the communication method.
सो मुझे आप एक बात बताइए सिद्धि कि अपने इतनी जल्दी अपने एम्प्लॉय से आप एम्प्लॉयर में कन्वर्ट हुए और ऑलमोस्ट 3 या 4 इयर्स आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा है एज एम्प्लॉयर, तो इस बीच आपने काफ़ी प्रेसेस झेले होंगे, आपकी फैमिली प्रेसेस हो गया, आपका फाइनेंस हो गया, आपका फिजिकल हो गया, मेंटल हो गया, तो आपने इस चीज़ को कैसे मेंटेन किया?
See, मैंने जब अपनी जर्नी शुरू करी थी, I was all alone. I started on my own. I kind of monitored everything. I had a lot of people who were calling me for consultation. तो वहाँ पे तो मैं अकेली थी. I was able to manage their queries and I was trying to solve their problems. But एक challenge उस time पे मेरे पास ये आया था कि मैं उनकी productions छोटे छोटे यूनिट्स, मुझे उस तरह से मार्केट रेडी यूनिट्स नहीं थे. द मार्केट वॉज लाइक आवर टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर के जो हमारे प्रोडक्शन कंपनीज है, दे वर नॉट रेडी फॉर स्मॉल MOQ प्रोडक्शन, एंड एवरीबडी वांटेड टू हैव बिगर प्रोडक्शन. सैम्पलिंग में इश्यूज हो रही थी प्रोडक्शन में. आई थॉट that it's better to have my own place where I can do small productions. बड़े players तो market में already हैं, तो बड़े players पे I can go anytime when the brand is expanding, and I, because they will be having my trust, so I can go to the bigger production houses and we can produce for them. But छोटे productions अपने यहाँ पे manage करने के लिए. But the real challenge started happening after I set up my own production unit. सो वहाँ पे फिनेंशियल प्रेशर बहुत है. अगर आपके पास इनकम नहीं भी आ रही है, आपके पास टाइम से अमाउंट नहीं आ रहा है, यू हैव टू पे सैलरीज, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दोज पीपल. बट एट द सेम टाइम, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट हाउ योर जर्नी इज गोइंग टू बी, आप सक्सेस होंगे या नहीं होंगे, तो आपको घर पे भी चीज़ें मैनेज करनी होती है, फैमिली लाइफ बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. इन द एंड यू आर ऑल अलोन हैंडलिंग एवरीथिंग. आपके पास मेंटल प्रेशर होता है, काफ़ी बारी आपके क्लाइंट्स पे नहीं करते या आपके वर्कर्स काम नहीं करते हैं, तो वो मेंटल प्रेशर भी बहुत आपका चल रहा होता है, जो आप शेयर नहीं कर पाते फैमिली के साथ में, बिकॉज यू हैव टू हैंडल एवरीथिंग ऑन योर ओन. देयर कुड बी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स, यू काइंड ऑफ ignore your health issues for that time because you can't get sick at that time. So ये बहुत सारे challenges होते हैं. एक चीज़ जो मैंने सीखी है वो है पॉज फॉर अ डे. अगर आपको बहुत मेंटल प्रेशर है, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप उस चीज़ को सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो आप एक दिन का पॉज करिए. आप अपने क्लाइंट से बोलिए, प्लीज़ गिव मी अ डे, आई एम रियली हेल्पलेस, आई एम इन अ बिग ट्रबल, आई एम नॉट मेंटली वेल. You can share. If they understand, fine. If they don't understand, you just can't help them because maybe they are also going through the same phase. So you take a pause. And second would be, I think it's important to be prepared mentally before you launch your entrepreneur journey.
So where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
Um, See, definitely I can say I want to see myself as a successful entrepreneur. But successful entrepreneur means you are a successful businessman. So my goal is not just to become a successful but in fact, business women, I would say. But in fact, I want to create a world where impacting minimum of say 500 lives sustainably. People who are dependent on me, people whom I am supplying to, people who my brands are supplying to. So directly or indirectly it should be impacting a minimum of 500 people, and minimum pollution. That is what where I see myself in 5 years, that I should be able to create that impact.
जैसे भी आप हमारे जो टेक्का के व्यूअर्स हैं उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर?
um, एक मैसेज मेरा ये है कि आप प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस हैं, और आपको अपने हॉराइजन से, जो आपका एक सेक्टर है, आपको उससे हटके आगे भी कुछ देखना चाहिए कि आप कहाँ कहाँ टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ कर सकते हैं और किस तरह से उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। और इसके अलावा ह्यूमैनिटी शुड बी ऑलवेज ऑन द ग्राउंड। और जब आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं तो उससे कोई ऐसा इम्पैक्ट ना हो जैसे किसी की जॉब लॉस हो जाए, या किसी के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट हो, फाइनेंशियल इम्पैक्ट हो, या कुछ लेंदी प्रोसेस हो जाए जिससे आप क्रिएट कर रहे हैं कुछ ऐसा सिस्टम जो हेल्पफुल नहीं हो रहा हो। तो अगर को क्रिएट करना हो तो आप होराइजन से थोड़ा और बाहर निकल के और भी चीज़ों पे सोचा जा सकता है। और हमारे जैसे लोग जैसे जिनके पास आइडियाज़ होते हैं, मिल करके एक एक कंबाइंड लाइक स्टेप लिया जा सकता है, जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ इनकम नहीं देखें, क्योंकि इनकम तो बाद में भी आ जाती है, बट जो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं उसका इम्पैक्ट ज़रूरी है देखना, रादर देन इनकम।
तो मैं यदि जैसे मैं समझ रही हूँ कि आप एक मैसेज दे रहे हैं, आपके पास में एक थॉट है, आपके पास में एक प्रोसेस है, आप कंपनी को एज अ वॉलंटियर कॉल कर रहे हैं कि यदि वो आपके पास आते हैं तो आप उन्हें अप्रोच करेंगे एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करने के लिए एज अ वॉलंटियर?
हाँ जी, यस, बिल्कुल। आई would definitely be welcoming people who want to align with me, with my goals, and co-create something beautiful, something nice, something efficient. um, I am right now a startup. I really don't have a big money, a big income to share with someone that I can pay them a lot of money and get my systems made. But if somebody wants to understand how the income is being generated, is going to be generated after 3 years, 4 years down the line, or 5 years, and then maybe we can discuss together and we can welcome each other to see how we can impact the whole thing.
Thank you, Sylvia, to coming this show. And I thought कि हम फिर दोबारा टॉपिक्स पे डिटेल में बात करेंगे. Okay, so guys, today we have a Sylvia. He is a very good entrepreneur and very good thinker. As you know, he is experienced with the mangoes and big companies. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for my presence here.